Yeah, I usually go right.
I can't wait for you two to be tired.
That means you gotta carry him up though. Yeah, that wasn't me. Oh, somebody smells something. Hey, Tank. Hey, Tank. Right? I'm not carrying him. No, that's for the baptism when we get down. Yeah. Not yet. Oh, I was supposed to text the wife, let her know we got here okay.
Yeah, I tried. I couldn't do it.
Well, they find the GoPro in my frozen body.
Okay, that's probably bad.
Is that a bad idea?
I think it's so.
Seems fine to me.
Holy cow, there's some snow off the trail.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Can you do the Strava thing in it? Always says that.
Oh, I forgot to start it. Did you start it?
Yeah, like tracking.
Good, you can tag me in it.
Yeah, we always joke if it's not Strava, it didn't happen.
Right. We got. You haven't even reached the fun uphill yet. I made the mistake of working legs too much at the gym this week in preparation. I did it Sunday because of mountain biking, and Monday, and Wednesday, Thursday a little bit, just to keep them warm. Ah, so nice up here. Yep. Oh, good job. Walking right across the, doesn't matter. It's covered under 4 feet of snow. Wow, what a view.
Oh, is this my cliff? All right.
One of them.
See you at the bottom.
You just barely see the road down there. Well, that's what you think. You get to the bottom and you hit all these trees. It's probably going to take a while. And next, we get to go up that. Oh, that's going to be fun. You can go ahead of me if you want. Oh, I need like a little 10 seconds. My legs are just like cement. Yeah, I overworked them this week. How's it going, Elias? Yeah. Right? Into the crevasse. What, are they at the bottom already? Let's light it on fire, then it'll be biblical. Not much of a view today, but it's still gorgeous. It's still better than being in the office. Even if, what's mid-2000s? Oh yeah. Yeah, my Bible app does not have maps in it. Don't worry, this is the easy part. I hear you. I hear you, man. Best thing you can do is jump squats. Right? Oh, my legs are killing me. They help. And in case this battery dies, here you go up, then you go down there. I don't know if I'll have enough battery to get it all. My other battery already died. I feel like for a hike like this in this cold, I need like half a dozen batteries. Oh yeah, that's deep. Should hold it horizontal. If you ever want to put it like on YouTube or something, hold it horizontal for that format. Stay hydrated and fed. And a little of Wim Hof's breathing never hurt either. I wouldn't say we're missing him, but yeah, he's back there. He was putting on his hat. Or his gaiter or something. I think he was putting on his COVID mask because he's afraid he's going to catch COVID up here. I hear the trees carry it now. What was that movie, M. Night Shyamalan, The Happening? Where nature started talking to each other and releasing chemicals that cause people to kill themselves. Like Mother Nature fighting back. It was a little silly, but the village was good. I didn't like the way they did it.
They oversell the surprise ending.
That's the part. Well, he didn't. The surprise wasn't surprising enough.
Yeah.
I would have presented it differently.
I can tell you what happens. It's a big surprise. And it was kind of predictable.
A little bit.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah. If you die, we use your body as a sled.
What's that? Ready?
That's a good. Always fun. Whoa. This is with ice cleats. Should have brought the sled. Yeah. Woohoo! There we go, out of the wind a little bit. Yes, we know.
Yeah, Nancy spiked them by accident.
It'll be okay. If we have to, I volunteer that Aaron can carry him.
He's used to it.
I'm kind of wishing I left my hood on so my hair wasn't frozen solid, but hey, what are you gonna do? Right? You okay? So we gotta go down there, up there, down there. This is one of the best. Like I was like 3 minutes from saying, you know what, maybe I'll stay in bed. Oh, No, gotta go. Was it this snowy last time you guys hiked this?
No, it wasn't snowing. It was on the ground like this, yeah, but it wasn't snowing. It was cool. It's actually kind of warm. Well, warm compared to...
Yeah, this ain't bad though. I mean, if we were gonna get like a nor'easter and a foot of it, I'd probably be like, no.
This is nice.
It's gorgeous, huh?
Like, this is great.
Oh, I love my New Hampshire. That's right.
You can hike all seasons and see something different.
Right? Oh yeah, fall's great. Like summer, I don't really like hiking so much unless it's with water, but just too hot. Usually we stop around here to have lunch, but if you want to get in the woods, we can do that too. Winter in the woods. That's where we were. Whew. Seems bigger in the snow. Oh, my fingers are cold. Had to move out in front of everybody. Get moving, my fingers were cold. I didn't feel like digging in for my other gloves because I'm just going to overheat and have to pull them back off again. So, there goes Tank. Remy, you behind me too? Apparently the dogs just want to be on the front. Yeah, we're getting like the, what, 2-inch mark? Oh, they're doing the same to me. Stay on the trail, boys. On the trail, good boys. And they're gone. There goes my emergency fur coat. Tank. Back in the woods. It's a sled right down that. Ah!
A lot of people snowboard down this.
Really? I think when Jonathan did that video, he hiked up to here and started. So yeah. I couldn't, I mean, I could imagine biking down this, but it'd just be crazy.
Yeah, I can assure you it was.
What do you say? Yeah. Well, I mean, there's a couple little pieces, but for the most part, yeah. Oh no. No, that is the worst of it. Right? Or to the side, like. Woo! of wishing I... There she goes. Kind of wishing I'd worn the gaiters at this point. Oh, and she's down. Oh, I just, right down. Oh, come on. That's a good way to like sprain your knee or something, right? These Florida people.
That was nowhere as cool as your sled video.
These Florida people are crazy in the snow.
Yeah. First snow, huh?
Right? Alright, here comes the sketchiness. Don't go that way. A little bit of snow drifts up here. Oh, all right. I'm wishing I wore the gaiters now. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ah. Sinking up to my knees. Oh. All right, where does the trail go again? Is it that way? That's this way. Wow. Ow, right in the face, I know, right? There's the trail. Oh, I can't see. Yeah, a little bit.
Holy shit. That's a lot of snow.
Right? Look at this drift. Oh. Whew. Oh boy. Oh wow. Oh, left side of my face is going numb. Yeah, I'm not going that way. Dogs. I think it's to the right, I think. Oh, I remember the ridge. Yeah. I just don't want to go off the ridge. Brett? Yeah, I don't think that would really help. Hold it sideways and I can put it in my video. Oh. 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 Oh, I'm sinking. Watch yourself. I think we go down here to the right eventually. Oh. Whole left side of my face frozen right now. Cannot get out of this fast enough. Right? Woo-wee. Where did Aaron lead us to? Fix my... You're not my dad. Is that it, Aaron?
Pretty sure we missed it.
Yeah, we can go up a little further.
Like, should we, or?
No, it doesn't matter either way. I won't steer you wrong.
Again. Yeah, I always recall you go that way, and then you jump off to the right. And, now I'm wishing I'd worn my gaiters.
Millions of years it took to get that.
Right, I know, millions of years of ice age. Oh, there's the trail. Oh, oh, my face. Right? It's snow all in my boot now. Whoa! There's usually some good icicles up here. Icicle, hike-a-cicle. There's more down there, Aaron. Tends to be pretty memorable. some nice ice.
They want the ice ready while it's chomping on it, but they're really stuck.
Well, yeah, it's a little thick.
That's really mammoth stuff right there.
Oh. That's crazy.
I prefer the blue looking ones.
Yeah, oh yeah. I mean, yellow and brown are just not, you know, colors you usually associate with water.
Exactly.
Not good water anyways. Yeah, that's pretty.